Hiya, I'm Julie Ranosaurus from everydayvegangourmet.com, and today we will be making some really tasty pumpkin pie spiced coffee cake muffins. They have a streusel topping that we are going to layer at the bottom, in the middle, and at the top of our muffins. They're really tasty and delicious, and so I cannot wait to share this recipe with you all, especially now that it is the fall season and you want some more pumpkin spice things. These would be delicious with coffee, and without further ado, let's make them. These are the ingredients that you are going to need. For the first ingredients, let's start off with the muffin mixture. So it comes out to 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cane sugar or Truvia cane sugar blend. I like to use this because it has like 2/3 less sugar than you would get from regular sugar, so I like to use this. It's a stevia cane sugar blend. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoons of applesauce. I'm using cinnamon applesauce, and 1.5 cups of plant milk. I am using original soy milk. So just put all of your dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and combine everything well together. It doesn't really matter what order you put them in, just make sure you're doing all dry ingredients first, mix them up, and then in a separate bowl, then you put in all of your liquid ingredients, and then we're going to take the liquid and slowly put it into the dry. Now just slowly pour the liquid into the dry. Make sure that you are whisking throughout. Of course, you can use an electric mixer, but not everyone has one, so I'm just using a whisk here. So just do your best to have no clumps inside of your batter, and instead you're left with a nice smooth consistency when you're done. Okay, so now just set that aside, and we're gonna make the streusel topping. That has our pumpkin spice pumpkin butter, which I will leave a link for the recipe if you do not have some. 1/3 cup of that, and then 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. 1 cup of brown cane sugar, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Now inside of a medium-sized bowl, or larger if you want, just mix all of the ingredients together until you have some chunks of streusel and everything is nice and well combined. And now that everything's mixed together and set aside, pull out your cupcake baking tray and line them with some cupcake liners. Then just give them a little bit of a grease with some spray, and then put in a little bit of the streusel, about a spoonful at the bottom, spread it out, and then put in a little bit of the cake batter. Followed again by another layer of streusel, then more cake batter, and then topped off with some more streusel. Now when it comes to the top, just give it a little extra push with your spoon so that the streusel stays into your muffins more so than just sticking out of it. And then just do it with the rest of your cake batter and your streusel. And yeah, that's about it. You did all the hard work, and now it's time to put them inside of the oven and let them bake. And then you gotta let them cool before you eat them, and these are better the next day too. So patience. Do you have patience, or do you just want to eat them? But I am telling you, these are much better the second day. You let them cool on a cooling rack, and then you put them inside of containers with lids. And like most baking products, these are much better the second day than they are the first day. For like the first 4 or so hours after you bake these, the tops are going to be a little bit hard, but the second day it's going to be so soft, the streusel is going to be soft, and the flavors are going to develop more in there. I just gotta tell you, you gotta wait. Just wait. Do what you want, but I'm telling you, the second day is the best. So if you plan on making these for a party, do it the day before. And that's it. It's really easy to make 18 muffins of pumpkin spice coffee cake muffins. Excellent with coffee, or excellent on their own. I've had these for breakfast, not gonna lie. Or if you want a little bit extra flavor, if you want to put butter onto your muffins and things like that, then top it off with some more pumpkin spice butter. But that's it, that's the recipe I have for you guys. These are full with streusel goodness, it's tasty and delicious, and I hope you guys like this recipe video. If you did, please make sure to show me by showing me your thumbs, letting me know that you like this kind of content and that I should make more like it. Also, let me know what kind of muffins do you enjoy eating yourself? What are your favorite muffins? Leave me comments down below. And if you would like this recipe in full text form, then check out the link down below at my website, everydayvegangourmet.com, and the recipe will be there for you. Doing my best to post multiple times every week on YouTube and also on my blog, everydayvegangourmet.com, and at JulieRhinosaurus and Everyday Vegan Gourmet on Instagram. Also, Facebook page, Everyday Vegan Gourmet. If you have yet to subscribe, please make sure you do so and to hit the little ring bell when you do, so you do get notified of when the heck my next video comes out. Thank you so very much for watching. I will see you all next time, and until then, happy gourmet cooking in your kitchen. Bye!